Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about some awesome websites that I found. These are travel related, but not in the way you think. These are kind of cool websites that you may not have seen before. So I hope you stick around to check them out. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, I invite you to please click like. That would help me a lot. So let's dive in. Okay, I already have them ready to go here. So the first one, it's called Webcam Taxi. It's basically a portal to a bunch of different webcams all over the place. These are live. So if it's nighttime at that location, it's going to be nighttime in the webcam. The cams will tell you the local date and time, and some of them will tell you the temperature. It's really cool. So let's just get started so you can kind of see how it works. You can use any of these here. Like here's the latest, here's the most viewed, a map of a certain interest, or just you can pick countries. I like to click on the map. So here we go. So we're going to take a minute to load the map. So this is all the webcams. There's a lot of them. So, like, here's Africa. Let's just pick. Well, it's going to be definitely nighttime, probably. Well, let's see. I don't know. Oh, no, they're awake. Oh, look. This is the gorilla. The Gray Center gorilla. So let's open it up. And there you go. He's actually live, sitting right there, which is cool. That was awesome. Those guys are taking a nap. So here it goes. It's 18 degrees. I'm not sure. Local time 12 o'clock. Yeah, so this is tomorrow, because today I'm filming this on the 16th, so this would be tomorrow. 5 a.m. I don't know. I can't read what this. Anyways, 18 degrees. Wow, is that Celsius or Fahrenheit? I don't really know. Anyways, they look happy. So let's go back. Let's just pick another camera. Okay. It's fun. Here's some right here. New Zealand, Madeira. I think that's Portugal, yeah. And then here's Sweden. So this area might have, let's just gonna pick a random one. Let's pick this one. Ooh. I don't know where Lithuania. Okay, let's look at Lithuania. So it takes a minute to load them because, you know, these are probably all separate websites that it's going to. I'm not really sure. Is this one going to take us there? Oh yeah, it's waiting. La-di-da. There we go. -8. Light fog in Lithuania. So anyways, this is fun. So you can just explore. So like here's interest. This is kind of fun too. So like if you want to look for something specific, like here, let's look at a river. So these will all be ones of rivers. Now sometimes some of these, here, let's look at Brooklyn. They probably have lights here. It's nighttime there, but let's see. It's waiting, it's coming. So just for fun, I don't know how long you want to spend on this, but that's kind of cool. So there we go. There's Brooklyn. There's the river. So play around. It's fun. I enjoy it. Now here's another one if you're going to be traveling or if you're just really interested. This shows all the planes that are currently, all the sites now have this cookie thing, so I just usually close it. So you can search by flight. You can search all sorts of different ways. Or you can just look and click on a plane. So let's just click. Let's see. Is there anything United States? So I'm just clicking my left mouse button and dragging this. Whoa, look at China. Yikes. A lot of people flying. Japan. There's Midway. Okay. Here's Hawaii. Oh, there's a lot of planes. Here, let's just see. That's Southwest Flight 597. So you click on it, it'll tell you it's going to Honolulu. Was scheduled to leave at 4:30. It actually left at 4:40. And scheduled to land at 8:10, but now it's going to land at 7:45. So it's about halfway there. You can see the plane in the middle. So that's kind of fun. So you just can click on them and it'll give you some information. Let's click on another one over here. Here's a Delta Flight 394. It's going from LAX to Seattle. Same information. It's about halfway there. So you have to know a flight number to actually search, but if you knew a flight number, you could type it in here. Like if you were looking, like your family members coming from another area, you could find their plane, it's kind of fun. Let's just click one more. American Airlines going from Chicago to Miami. It's about 2/3 of the way there. So anyways, it's fun. It's called flightradar24.com. And that's just a fun site that I enjoy looking at. Okay, next. This is called The True Size Of. What does this say? Switch, drag, and compare size. Okay. So if you pick a country, like here's the United States. As you drag, I'm just holding down the left mouse button and dragging it over these other countries. It'll adjust it to show you how big it is compared to these others. So that's pretty cool. So let's say we can type in Sweden, let's say. Okay, so Sweden. So there's Sweden. So you just click it and drag it. And it's like, here's all the United States. You can see how big it is compared to places in the United States. It's fun. Greenland. So yeah, look, it's way bigger than Iceland. So let's see, it's probably about a little bit bigger than California. Anyways, so that's fun. Play with that. That's also, these are all free. So let's see what this says. Start now. Let's see. What is it doing? I don't want to add the extension. Never mind. I don't want to do that. So that's fun. That's called The True Size Of. Okay. Now this one is really cool. It's called Radio. It says it's a time machine, but watch this. So let's go to basic mode. You basically click somewhere on the map. I don't know, I just clicked India. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's make the volume a little louder. It's playing some Indian music from 1970. So not only is this a time machine, it also lets you listen to music from other areas. Okay, let's do now. What the difference will be.
Walk with me, my soulless friends.
Let's do Brazil. This is Brazil now. Let's say 1950. I'm interested to see what it says about the United States. Okay, 1950s. Let's see now. Okay, I don't know what song that is, but so you get the idea. It's fun. So you can explore music from all around the world at all different decades. So that's fun. Okay, here's the last one. It's called Map Crunch. I may have shown this one before. It's just one of my favorite. You can go on an adventure without leaving your house. The site starts you in a random location, and all you can do is wander around and explore. There's nothing else to do. It's just kind of fun. It gives you an address and then an image and some arrows so you can move around. It looks like Google Maps, but you have to stay on the road, but it's fun. You can zoom in and out, just use your mouse button. Like I'm zooming out and I'm zooming back in. This is US 85. I don't know where we are. Let's see. View of the day. Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid Suites, 57 Sherman Street, Deadwood, South Dakota. So that's fun. So anyways, you just click these little arrows. Or you can just go like this. You can just click ahead wherever you want to go. Down the streets. And it just lets you explore. You can use your left mouse button and hold it down and rotate. So let's say I want to go down this street. And I go down that street. Parking lot, parking garage. So anyways, to turn, like I said, I'm just using my left mouse button and you can rotate it all around. So it's really fun. And if you want to go somewhere else, just click go. And it'll take you somewhere else. Now, where are we? Okay, we're in Dhaka, Ranger Highway. Okay. I don't know where that is. Sounds like it would be maybe in Africa, but I'm not really sure. So anyways, you just explore. That's all you can do. There's nothing else to do. It's really, I don't know where we are, but this is really interesting to see. So you go all over the world and you just basically click go and it takes you somewhere else. Southern District, wherever this is. Doesn't look like there's any city around here. Southern District somewhere. Very remote area. There's an animal. See if we can get close enough to see what it is. Looks like a cow. How fun. We can zoom around. Yeah. Anyways, it's really fun. I spent a lot of time on this. I just think it's very interesting. Travel without really going anywhere. I think you can also, in the options here, pick a country. It doesn't let you pick specifically where you're going, but if you wanted to, like here, let's just go to Switzerland. It'll take you to a random place in Switzerland. Maybe. I'm not sure why it's not working. Well, that's not working for some reason. Oh, Java's not working. I'm not sure why that's not working. But anyways, it's a free site. It's fun. Go explore the world. Have some fun. Those are the 5 sites. Actually, now I see that. No, there was one. Oh, that was for that other thing. Like, wait, I just confused myself there. There's the 5 sites that I found that I thought you'd enjoy. Once again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and I would appreciate it if you click like if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time.